Good morning. It's 7 a.m. from where I am. Um, yeah, I just want to make a quick video blog for my batchmate Kenny Aquino. Wow, it's really shocking for me. Kasi, ang bilis. Parang ang bilis. And parang ang bata niya pa to, to go with our Lord. Pero, you know what? It's God's will. I think he served his purpose in life. I would say so myself kasi wala talaga akong masabing masama about him. Like, I remembered him as this smart person, intelligent person, peace-loving actually. And I think he served his mission already. Kaya parang happy na rin ako. I'm not happy because he died. I'm happy because we all remember him as a good person. And this reunion that you're having should be a celebration of his life. And isipin na lang natin yung mga good moments we've had with him. Like, naalala ko, kasama niya pa nagsisipa sila Alvin. Um, Naalala ko, nagko-compare pa kami ng answers noon for assignments. Naalala ko si Miss Padilla. Kasi I think she was a math teacher before. Naalala ko lang yon kasi Kenny was so bright na I think favorite siya ni Miss Padilla. Pero, yeah, naisip ko lang yung mga good moments with him. Naisip ko lang talaga yung mga yon. And I realized na this is a lesson for us. Like, life is too short. So, we should all cherish each moment with our loved ones. Every day, we should cherish each moment with them. Even those who are like our enemies, the people we got mad at, siguro it's time to make amends and it's time to really show them that we care or show them that we love them. Kasi we'll never know. This afternoon, I might go with the Lord or, this right at this moment. Maybe somebody will go. So, let's not waste our time trying to let everything pass. Kasi, like I said, life is too short, and I just want to give props to the people who organized this. I think si Denver ang nag-start nito. Thank you for organizing this reunion, and hopefully the next time na magkaroon kayo ng reunion, it's not about a sad moment, but it's about the celebration of life. And just get together for happiness sake, for yeah, for happiness sake. So, I give my prayers to you guys, and to the family of Kenny. I feel bad kasi hindi ako makakauwi for that reunion. I think it's May 22, right? Hindi ako makakauwi. Because I have classes. I just want to give my love to all of you and my prayers to the family of Kenny. And I hope that we will see each other again. Thank you guys. Oh, thank you also pala kasi sinasabi nyo pa rin to sa akin kahit wala ako dyan. Yeah, I do appreciate that, and hopefully, like I said, next time we will see each other again. Thank you.